Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off keyboard sounds on your Samsung phone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, tap on Sounds and Vibration. Scroll down the Sounds and Vibration settings and tap on System Sound/Vibration Control. Now, under the Sound heading, turn the toggle off to the right of Samsung keyboard. If you would also like to switch off keyboard vibrations, then you can turn off the toggle to the right of Samsung keyboard under the Vibration heading. You can also turn off the dialing keyboard sound here if you like. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.